We make Defenders brand new again. We think that Land Rovers were really perfect when they came out of factory, and the problem is now you can't get one that's in perfect condition. So the idea is just to bring back exactly how it was built, as if you were going to the showroom for the first time.
We rebuild every single component. We don't do half restorations. We do the entire rebuild, and essentially it's like buying a new car off the showroom floor.
We love our craftsmanship. We really love doing things well. We love doing things properly, taking our time. Building something that lasts.
When a car goes through our workshop, it goes through the same process irrespective of what has been previously done on the car. That way we can guarantee and ensure everything. So first we get them in, we evaluate them and strip them down. Second step, all of those parts go out for the various coatings, blastings, electroplating, powder coating, hot dip galvanizing, anodizing, etc. They'll then reassemble all of those parts using new components to put it back on its rolling chassis. Step 3 is we get the firewall painted, engine has been rebuilt, as well as gearbox. That's back in with the engine running. Step 4 is we put the freshly painted body, which has been acid dipped and neutralized to stop any rusting, back on the body. Step 5 is then a full assembly check of everything on the car and all its functions. Each car will then go through 1,000 kilometers of testing before it's actually signed off by ourselves and passed on.
I think what's special about Journeymen is because we aren't a corporate, we don't have to sacrifice on the quality of work that we're trying to put out.
We say that this is a business, but businesses make money. This is not so much of a business, it's more of an extension of our personality and trying to just extend our passion to something that's sustainable.
We're trying to kind of make people's dreams come true by building these amazing cars that we love so much.